Hello boys and girls, so this is the music that I'm making that is going to be uploading on Thursday, called the Bad Guys of Mad City music video, so I'll make you a song for this. Thank you. The bad guys of Mad City, if we know these things are, if they know like this, or like this, or thing, has been when the alarm sounds like this, when they rob the bank, when the beep beep noise does like this too. The bad guys of Mad City, the board like that. The bad guys of Mad City, the bad guys of Mad City, and listen to the alarm right now. And listen to the alarm, cause that happens too. And Al is robbing the bank, a board like that. So we try and stop our board like this. Then he walks across the bank, a ball. The bad guys of Mad City, a ball, and it's now. It's Al, and he's talking at the moment. Have you? How do I ever trust the music trust my very young bank? I'm swallowing the bank and use my jetpack. And then you know this idea of like this. He's using his jetpack and he's going into the boat. A boat like this. The bad guys of Mad City. The bad guys of Mad City, and Al's talking to you again. How I ever? Because it needs to be full. If I get stuck forever because I have to do something. That's how he does like this, because I have with things. And my friends come to stop Al the day. And it's Al saying again. However, I can't escape the fate. I have to escape. Using my jet for every day because I have to use. I thought every day. I have to thought every day. And how I ever have to know something before. The police trying to stop Al because he was using his jetpack thing has been overboard, and Al is speaking you again. I almost had to turn him off because I have to do the money. And that's how he does. What does he do? The thing has been a ball like this. And then you know the thing has been a baby Mitzi. The baby pop. The Mitzi is here to stop Al as well. The bad guys of Mad City. The bad guys of Mad City. And now is speaking you one more time. I'm here at the prison base returning my money. And there it is. And he has rank 19, and he needs to rob some more. And this we're almost at the end, because he needs to die one more time. Ouch! I got hurt by myself. And I was speaking you one more time. I got hurt by electrocuted thing, and because I hurt, I saw the mic appear, but I'm not robbing it. It says it's shut. But it's shut. I don't know. This is what you do. The bad guys of Mad City. The bad guys of Mad City. The bad guys of Mad City. Bad guys of Mad City. Bad guys of Mad City. Ah! Ouch! Yeah, guys, that was our wonderful new music video that's uploading on Thursday. So this was the behind the scenes, what it's going to look like, and I recorded it and put it on YouTube. Bye.